Hey, this is Jeff with Truck Knucks, and I'm going to show you how to install the Truck Knucks tie-down anchors. So you can install these with no tools. These come assembled. So all you do is loosen the knob so that it's almost at the end of the bolt. And then you press in on the knob, and you have enough play there to fit into the track. So you press in the knob, insert in the middle of the track, turn it 90 degrees, it locks in, and then you can tighten it up. To adjust it, you can just loosen the knob, and then you're going to press down, and then you can slide it to whatever position you need it in, and then tighten it back up. Locks in, really solid. And then to remove the Truck Knucks, you just do the reverse. So you're going to loosen up the knob again, so you're almost to the end. You're going to press it in, pull out the knuck, turn it 90 degrees, pops right out. There you go. So these are super easy, super fast to install and remove. No tools are needed. Super solid. Go get some.